In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an easy 3D text effect in Photoshop using simple layer styles and keyboard shortcuts with no 3D tools required. We're going to build this effect step by step, and it's very beginner friendly, so just follow along and take your time. To start, let's create a background that helps the text stand out. Fill your background with a gradient, then change the style to radial. After that, adjust the scale until it looks right for your design. Click on the gradient preview, open the basic presets, and choose any gradient as a starting point. For this example, create a light to dark green gradient by manually adjusting the colors. Spend a moment experimenting here, because the background has a big impact on the final result, and you can always come back and tweak it later. Next, delete the white background layer, and if there's a layer mask on it, remove that as well. This keeps your layers panel clean and makes the project easier to manage from the beginning. Now grab the type tool and create your text. You can type any word you want, but a bold font usually works best because thicker letters give a stronger 3D look. Once your text is ready, click Create Warped Text, choose the arc style and apply just a slight bend. Keep it subtle. A small curve adds energy to the text without hurting readability. After that, add a stroke layer style and increase the stroke size until the text becomes more visible. Set the stroke position to outside so the edges stay clean, then change the stroke color to yellow for strong contrast against the background. Now it's time to build the first depth effect. Duplicate the text layer with Ctrl+J, then press Ctrl+T for free transform. Move the duplicated text 1 pixel up and 1 pixel to the right with the arrow keys, then press Enter. After that, press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+T repeatedly until you have about 14 copies. This shortcut repeats the same transformation automatically, which is a huge time saver. Group all of those copy layers together, but leave copy 14 outside the group. Next, remove the stroke from the top text layer by right-clicking the stroke effect and choosing Clear Layer Style. Then change the text color to red so the front face is clearly separated from the extrusion underneath. Now create a second extrusion from that red text. Duplicate it with Ctrl+J, press Ctrl+T, move it 1 pixel right and 1 pixel up, press Enter, and then press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+T repeatedly until you have around 27 copies. Group all of those layers too, leaving only the original top text layer outside the group. Finally, select the top text layer and add a gradient overlay. Open the basic presets and create a yellow to orange gradient. Then apply an inner shadow, change its color to white, and set the blend mode to screen. This creates a soft highlight that makes the text look more polished and dimensional. Make any final adjustments until everything looks just right, and your 3D text effect is complete.